everyone. I'm going to talk about patriarchy, not just as a general term, but we're going to learn about patriarchy globally and especially pertaining to the Indian society. So, what is patriarchy? Patriarchy is a social system in which men hold primary power and predominate in political leadership, moral authority, social privilege, and the control of property. Another subterm in patriarchy is patrilineal, which means the property and titles are inherited by the male lineage. Firstly, let us look at patriarchy from a global perspective. Globally, patriarchy is found in almost all corners of the world. With such a common dominant social system, women are oppressed and treated as the weaker gender. Women feel controlled and are at a disadvantage in the work, household, and public space. Patriarchy's belief system is such that men should only hold primary power and dominate over women. Patriarchy has found itself in different organizations, be it social, legal, religious, political, or economic organizations of different cultures. With changing times, still in modern society, women are paid less than men, even though the jobs are similar or the same. This is due to the fact that patriarchy dictates that women's role in society is to stay home, do household work, and take care of the children. In such a system, it is obvious women don't get equal opportunities. With the patriarchal system come certain norms like how women should present themselves in society. But the biggest problem is that patriarchy promotes a culture of crime against women. Statistically speaking, the global participation in the labor force between men and women is one sided. Looking at the graph, we can come to an understanding that it does not matter how developed a region is, economically or socially. Now, let us look at patriarchy in Indian society. India has always been following this social system. The patriarchal setup is such that women are considered a liability, face discrimination, lack access to education, healthcare, proper nutrition, and dowry still exists. Ironically, India being a democratic country where citizens are to be treated equally regardless of gender, women still feel like lesser beings and have to fight for their rights. In India, media plays a huge role as people are able to connect publicly and receive instant information. According to a study, less than 5% of leadership positions across media companies are occupied by women. The number stands at 13.6% for magazines, 20.9% for TV channels, and 26.3% for digital portals. Looking at the Indian film industry, especially Bollywood, there are many instances of gender stereotypes and the way women are portrayed, as the films are mostly constructed from a male viewpoint. Let us listen to what Indian women have to say about our society.
If you're fat, you're moti. If you have specs, you're chashmish. If you're dark, you're kali. I had specs, I had braces, and I was dark. So the list of things was.
It's all about like, why do you want to put your face in every picture? And is this, why are you trying to be an ego blogger? This is not a fashion blogger. This is pure narcissism.
Take me seriously when it comes to paying bills. When I ask for big quantities or when I place big orders, they think that women can't really run a business. So it really pisses me off.
I start questioning my purpose for doing this. I start questioning where is it taking me? Where am I hoping to get at? And maybe 10 years from now, if I look back at it, what do I see?
So I'm loud and I'm outspoken. So I'm not really, to them, I'm not a girl. And so there's been this sort of identity crisis concerning gender. I consider myself a girl, obviously, but then there will be times when you're considered less feminine or just they don't really match up to their conventional ideas.
वैलेंटाइन डे इस बार जो लोग मनाएंगे तो उसको रोकने के लिए हिंदू महासभा क्या करेगा?
कुछ हमारी टीमें होती हैं, जाती हैं जगह जगह पार्कों में, जैसे अपना यहाँ पे ये बुद्धा गार्डन है, कनॉट प्लेस का जो गोल सर्कल में पार्क है,
तो मतलब उन लोगों को ला करके फिर आप उनकी शादी भी कराएंगे?
हाँ बिल्कुल, उनसे आकर करेंगे। वाकई में आप प्रेम करते हो, सिद्ध करो आप। अग्नि को साक्षी मान के सिद्ध करो कि आप प्रेम करते हो।
Listen, Mr. Mahasabha fellow, if you are keen on getting us married, we don't mind coming with our boyfriend. कुछ नहीं चाहिए हमको, साबे का लहंगा चाहिए, ठीक है?
If you watched Indian television before 2012, you wouldn't find anybody talking about sexual violence. And today, if you turn on the TV on any given day, there's, women speaking loudly and speaking very boldly. So to a certain extent, that is there. But it needs to go deeper because Indian society, any conversation about women is infected with like patriarchal attitudes. Where it's all about male superiority and the social inferiority of the female. So there's that really needs to change.
Now, there's a change in our society as women are participating for the feminist movement. They're now speaking up and demanding for their rights. It will take a huge span of time to close the gap between men and women, but it is possible. What is now only the beginning of feminism in India will soon be able to empower women from all backgrounds. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed.